Hello my dear students, Today we're going to discuss this video in dual language. One is Manipuri and one is English. Today we are going to discuss about RBI assistant exams, especially whether RBI assistant exam is better than the SBI PO exams or any other banking PO exams that we have out there. ngasi akoi RBI assistant exam ga aduga SBI PO exam ga discuss taguni karambana phai haibadu ko. Sometimes when people hear the word assistant, they assume it as a clerical cadet job and they might not be so much interested. Today I am going to shed some light on this topic and remove any misconception you might have. अखोइना अहमद assistant वाही जेता मतलब अखोइना खली सिदी clerk की job ni हाबदको अदुगा अखोइना clerk हाबो वाही जेता बद अखोइना याम लाना खनबे याव clerk की job ती मचा ने हाबदो मचा मसु ने हाबदको अदुगी misconception दो अखोइ ngasi masi gi video jida aina lafungnaba honajage. So let's begin. The first thing I want to discuss is about the differences in the salaries of an RBI assistant and an SBI PO. अहमद RBI assistant ga aduga SBI PO gi salary gi matang da hana yengsi. So when you join RBI as an assistant, your gross salary is around 36,000. This is not the only income you get per month. Along with this, you will be getting petrol allowances, which varies according to the center, and you will be getting quarterly Sodexo coupon and plus other allowances like internet works, internet, newspaper, cleansing furniture, and on top of that, you will also get the DA. So along with this, after deduction, you will be getting around 34,000 to 37,000 on net pay. Noina RBI J as assistant on ahanba no join to matamda gross pay ga noina phangdu petrol allowance phangani so dexo have phangani petrol allowances city amaga manade aduga cha mana so dexo ju no phangani aduga atapa perks internet gumba newspaper cleansing furnitures में फंगनी को plus DA का अदुगा सीगी मैम देगी नोगी monthly predictions तो खरक खाइदो कांदा नोइना net पे उन्हें क्या फंगनी है कांदा 34,000 to 37,000 में आने फंगनी बको. Now when you look at the SBI PO salary, when you join SBI PO, you get a gross salary of around 46,000. On top of that, you will also get petrol allowances, which also varies depending upon your city actually, and it is also depend whether you owns a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. So depending on that, also there are some minor differences. There are other perks also. Along with this all, then you have to take out the reductions. So finally, after everything, it comes to about 39,000 to 46,000 per month. Hujik akoina SBI PO gi salary ng matamda noina inang nung SBI PO join to matamda gi gross salary is around 46,000 oigani bako. Si mathakona petrol allowance phangani moi gi petrol allowance to city mo mande ko rural area da oigari khatagani metro area का चावनी अदे मथक्ता मोगी पेट्रोल अलाउंस की कइने डिसाइड तौगे हार कांदा नोइना टू व्हीलर ओन तौबरा थौदबरा फोर व्हीलर ओन तौबरा थौदबरा पा सी मथक्ता मोगी जु प्लस तो फना फंगी मोगी जु इंटरनेट की खरा फंगी न्यूज़पेपर खरा फंगी फर्नीचर खरा फंगी सी मयाम देगे दुगा था की मंथली रिडक्शंस तो खाइदो कांदा खुद द नेट पे है तो क्या फंगे है कांदा around 39,000 to 46,000 फंगे वही नेट पे से को. So next we come to housing. If RBI gives you quarter, you won't be getting any HRA, but if you don't get a quarter, you will be getting either HRA, that is house rent allowance, or lease accommodation, which will be adding directly to your salary if they are not giving you a quarter. RBI gidi moina quarter p ko mogi staff mayam jida tawodo moina quarter p dagadi moina house rent allowance p natragana lease accommodation p moina quarter p dagadi house rent allowance habama natraga lease accommodation habama noigi salary the direct moina transfer horakani ko. In SBI you will be getting lease accommodation which also varies according to center, but they will deduct the HRA from the net salary. SBI da kamain tawge hara kanda SBI da always moina keno pigani lease accommodation pigani ko lease moigi lease accommodation ju city maga manade aduga moina lease accommodation pi matamda noigi monthly salary dagi moina HRA khara deduct hogani ko. Now let's move on to next aspect, that is posting. This is something that you have to carefully understand, that in RBI you are only going to get posted in cities or metros, so they do not have any rural branches as such. So mostly you will be getting posted in big cities or capital cities. RBI the posting ni combine thage hai matamda noi naya mana posting ka tagani cities gumbada or metros da hujiko de RBI di rural areas da branches hangdri ko ayamana state ki capital da ayamana loin hangbani aduga cities achago gumba Pune gumba aduga kadare Chennai Belapur ko asiguma loin hangbani ko. In SBI however you can actually be posted in anywhere in India. This is the game changer actually, because if you do not like to be posted in rural area with less internet connectivity or any transport issue, then it will be a problematic for you. However, if you are somebody who likes those challenges and who wants to enrich himself or herself with rural India, then it is something you will actually like it. SBI the posting from the command the moi India ki any part the moina posting jit harak ko yai have either adudo valley hoigera ching hoigera border state ta hoigera ko anyway manna posting jit harak ko yai ba karigumba mina rural area je pam jagadi magidi yam problematic oi ko adu karigumba mi khara ju phani yam lai moina yam pam bai tare yam lam ko pam ba khot export to pam ba moi yu di yam phare masi moi yu di chance ama phangamani moi di lam ko no to koi ba ko makha ta ba yingsi. The next thing is the work hours. In RBI usually as assistant you have fixed working hour and you can leave the office around 5:30 or 6 p.m. in most of the department. RBI da yamana assistant ki working hour is fixed hoibani ko no evening ki 5:30 or 6 p.m. yam bi the 6 p.m. no adum office to adum kana to yamni leave to yamni ko. In some of the department during some particular time of the year you might have to stay for a little longer, and of course there are more working hours in some other department as well, but generally we have seen in RBI that as an assistant you can get off quite early and you can have a good work-life balance. Chahi ki tangka kharada habadi half yearly gumba annual year gumba to go RBI ki annual year karam kanda hoi July to June bani ko adum matang aduga half yearly matang ri habetang thabak to report khara sembagi thabak to chin bani na ko adu matam de khaitang thinga leibai yai ko, but yamna theng ba haje kesu yamna theng oi dam ni ko yam ida pum khet mangai theng ba haje ade he di theng da bani adu di just no phado ki wani ko natadi RBI ki department khudimak ta ayamana assistant jing ni dum ngan halli ko pum manga gumba manga makhai gum hanbai yabani ko. On the other hand, in SBI PO job or any other banking PO job, your work hours are not defined because as an officer you have lots of additional responsibilities. Your higher ups and regional managers will be expecting a lot from you, so you have to understand that you might not be able to leave office at an early time. So the work-life balance is hampered quite a bit in SBI. SBI ꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ SBI ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯕꯦꯡꯀꯤꯡ POꯁꯨꯀꯣ as an officer ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ responsibilities ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯡꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯅꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯀꯤ officialsꯤꯡꯅ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯅꯣꯏꯒꯤ regional managersꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯅꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ आशा ꯑꯃ ꯊꯝꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯨꯕꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯇ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯉꯟꯅ ꯍꯟꯕꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯇ ꯉꯟꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯜꯂꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯕꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁꯇꯣ ꯈꯤꯇꯪꯗꯤ ꯏꯐꯦꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯌꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ 10ꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁ ꯀꯥꯔꯒ ꯏꯚꯤꯅꯤꯡ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯄꯨꯡ 9 ꯄꯨꯡ 9ꯗ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯑꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯏ इफेक्ट कनो ओइदि लाक्ट्रिबो मखा ताबा येंगसी सिनमु सुटी की मतंग दको Now we come to holiday part of it. Holiday is something which RBI enjoys much more because every Saturday and Sunday you will be getting off, but in SBI only second and fourth Saturday will be off. Holiday की मतंग द हाबदी सुटी की मतंग दी RBI ना खैतंग दी हेली को सुटी फंगबजे because मोइगिदी every weekend छुट्टी होइगनी Saturday and Sunday अदम छुट्टी होइगनी but SBI हाबा अदुगा तो बैंक की दी को only second Saturday fourth Saturday and Sunday तंग छुट्टी होइगनी को अइने नोइदा मसी की डिफरेंस से केदबगी हाबा पामिनो हारे कांदा last 2-3 years को होखिबा 2-3 years तगी SBI PO ओरम अमेजिंग बैंकिंग PO अमेजिंग मसागी जॉब से मोइन थादुगा RBI असिस्टेंट द मोइ चंगेबा केदबगी नो हारे कांदा banking sector na face tariba hardship mayam se I wanted to tell you about these differences mainly because in recent year we have seen that many people switching from SBI PO job or bank PO job to RBI assistant job. This trend is mainly due to the hardship being faced in the banking sector. So people are actually going to assistant job over a PO job. So don't only look at the title of the job and hiding a point job की title तंग उगनु भावे सिना officer ने हाबदे सिना officer post नि सिदा चंगदबा यादे हाबदो लैतेबा सिना assistant ने सिदा चंग हाबा लैतेको job roles salaries posting and entire scenario you have to take into account and check before you make a decision नोइना decision अमा लबो मातमदा अदुगी particular job तुगी role करिनो मागी सैलरी कइनो पोस्टिंग कमाइना तवी को खादि मरु जे मागी पोस्टिंग कमाइना तवी काय थाई कमाइना थाई को अदु नोइन असि म्याम जे नोइन फजना यिंगगा नोइ डिसीजन दो लवबा आई बैंक PO पाम्ब्रा SBI PO पाम्ब्रा हाबमा नतगा RBI असिस्टेंट पाम्ब्रा तो को so I hope this will help you in making a decision about whether you want to join RBI assistant or any other banking PO job aina thajai ko noi hojik noi decision लवो हैरनी हाबदो नोइना कनबदा चंगबा पामे हाबदो RBI चंगबा पाम्ब्रा और SBI चंगबा पाम्ब्रा तो को